Hey everyone, this is Jack with TXADPR. We're coming to you today just to make sure that everybody's staying positive, staying healthy, and staying upbeat. This is something that we're all in together, and so we just want to make sure that everybody's sticking together. So we have a few questions for you all. So with the social distancing comes this need to work from home or work remotely. And we know within the advertising industry that this is something that is much more easier said than done. We're an industry that thrives on in-person collaboration and working with our teams to figure out problems and working, hands-on in general. So we know that this is going to create a lot of new obstacles. But this is something that we're very skilled at, changing directions in a very short amount of time, whether that be changing our focus, changing our strategy, or just changing our overall campaign due to some unforeseeable event. This is something that we do every day. So with the help of you all, we just want to know what type of experiences that you've had working online and what ways that you have found are the most effective for collaborating online, whether that be certain platforms, certain methods, or just any tips or tricks that you found are, the most effective. So please let us know. Follow us at TXADPR. We'd love to hear from you. And just remember that we're all in this together, and so we just have to stick together. Please let us know. We'd love to hear from you.